Ministry of Health, Wellness and Elderly Affairs is closely monitoring the tropical storm warning and hurricane watch associated with Tropical Storm Bret as issued on June the 21st, 2023 by the St. Lucia Meteorological Services and the National Emergency Management Organization. While hurricanes are associated with strong winds, persons must be prepared for the multiple hazards including heavy rain, flash flooding, and storm surges, among others, associated with hurricanes. In addition, there is the risk for contamination of potable water supply and food leading to gastroenteritis. The Ministry of Health would like to assure the public that it stands ready to respond to events associated with Tropical Storm Bret. The hospital and the primary healthcare services have put contingency plans in place to ensure the delivery of essential services across the island before, during, and after the storm. Persons will be able to access services at the hospitals. The Dennery Hospital and the Grosley Polyclinic, which usually close at midnight, will now be providing 24-hour services starting today, June the 22nd, 2023, until further notice. The Suffrey Hospital will continue providing 24-hour services to the public. The other wellness centers will be closed at 1 p.m. today, Wednesday, June the 22nd, 2023, until the all clear is given by NEMO. The Ministry of Health encourages the public to take personal responsibility to preserve their safety and well-being. Persons must keep checking NEMO for updates on the progress of the storm and whether they should evacuate or stay at home. It is critical to know the location of your nearest emergency shelter. Persons with chronic illnesses that require long-term use of medication must ensure they have at least 1 month's supply of medication. Medication, prescriptions, and medical supplies must be stored in waterproof containers. Persons must pay attention to NEMO and WASCO boil water advisory. The ministry encourages everyone to stay safe during the passage of the storm. For information relating to your health issues, contact the nearest active health facility.